Hi, welcome to our channel. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் கம்ப்யூட்டர் அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ்ல உள்ள ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர் மல்டிமீடியா அண்ட் டெஸ்க்டாப் பப்ளிஷிங்கிற சாப்டர் தான் பார்க்க போறோம். அதுல உள்ள 122 क्वेश्चन எடுத்திருக்கேன், 1 மார்க் क्वेश्चन. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி உங்களுக்கு கோடிங் ரிலேட்டடா ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா ப்ரோக்ராமிங்ல இல்ல ஏதாவது ஒரு கான்செப்ட் தெரியல அப்படின்னா ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா எனக்கு கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. நான் அந்த கோடிங்கோ இல்ல அது அந்த ப்ரோக்ராமிங் ஏதாவது வேணும்னா அதை நான் வந்து எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன் நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோல. சரி, வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். First question, dash applications plays vital role in presenting information to the user? Answer, multimedia. Next question, in the term multimedia, multi refers to many. Next question, what is the plural form of medium? Answer, media. How many major components are there in multimedia? Answer, 5. Which is not a multimedia components? Text. Sorry, test. T-E-S-T. Text ங்கிறது multimedia component. T-E-X-T ங்கிறது multimedia component. T இது வந்து test. T-E-S-T. Next question. Identify the static element from the following. Graphics. Dash is the basic components of multimedia. Text. The previous question la பார்த்தோம் dash is not multimedia component னு பார்த்தோம். அது வந்து answer TEST. இது வந்து text. இது multimedia component. அடுத்த question. In dash the words are given along with the images to explain about the images. Answer, static text. Next question. The readability of the text depends on the dash. Answer, spacing and punctuation. Next question. In how many ways images can be generated by the computer? Answer, 2. Bitmap images are otherwise called as dash images, raster images. The common and comprehensive form of storing images in a computer is dash, raster images, bitmap. The tiny dots which forms on the screen are called as dash, pixel. Dash is a simple matrix of pixel that forms a raster image. Answer, bitmap. In determining number of colors, dash bits indicates 256 colors, 8-bit. Dash is a technique used to reduce the file size of the images. Compression. Identify which is not a compression format. MIDI. GIF, JPEG, TIFF இதெல்லாம் வந்து compression format. MIDI இது மட்டும்தான் compression format கிடையாது. What is the least frame rate for smooth appearance of images? Answer, 16. How many frames per second are needed for a normal natural looking images? Answer, 25. If the image appears in XY axis of the screen, then it is called as dash animation, 2D animation. If the images appears XYZ axis of the screen, then it is called as dash animation, 3D animation. How many types of animations are there? Answer, 2. The 2 types of animations are path, frame. Which animation involves moving an object on the screen with a constant background? Answer, path. Multiple objects are allowed to travel simultaneously in dash animation. Frame. Which one of the following is the most serious element in multimedia and provides the pleasure of music, special effects, etc.? Answer, sound. What is the unit of sound? Decibels. MIDI stands for Most Interactive Digital Interface. Dash sound is a digitized sound. Sampled. Dash is defined as how often the samples are taken and how many numbers are used to represent the value of each sample. Answer: sampling rate. How many types of videos are there? 2. The display of recorded event, scene, etc. are called as dash video. How many categories of analog videos are there? Answer: 2. Each video format have all the components like brightness, color and synchronization are combined into one signal. Answer: composite analog video. Which video format produces low clarity videos? Composite analog video. Which one of the following format was used for customer analog video recording tape formats? Answer: Betamax. How many different multimedia file formats are there? Answer: 4. RTF stand for Rich Text Format. The RTF was introduced in the year 1987. Match the following. Edited with voice. இது பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Answer: option A. Identify which is not an editor. Got it. Notepad, Nano, text editor இதெல்லாமே ஒரு எடிட்டர். இதுல got it வந்து எடிட்டர் கிடையாது, not editor. அடுத்து dash is the popular way of conveying an email. Answer: plain text. TIFF is a dash format of file, image format. Identify the statement which is correct. Answer: 2 option, 4th option correct. TIFF format is common in desktop publishing world. Next one is 4th option. JPEG works good with photographs. ரெண்டுமே correct answer. Which is the first popular format for high resolution? TGA. Identify which is not an image format? OGG. TIFF stand for tagged image file format. Which one of the following format produces high quality output in DTP world? TIFF. BMP stands for bitmap. Pick out the correct statement from the following. இதுல வந்து B option மட்டும்தான் கரெக்டான statement. PNG is portable good with the online viewing application. DIB stands for device independent bitmap. GIF stands for graphics interchange format. TGA means tag raw. PNG means portable network graphics. WAV stands for waveform audio file format. AIFF stands for audio interchange file format. WMA means Windows Media Audio. இதுல வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது இடையில வந்து ஏதாவது ஒரு கான்செப்ட்ல வந்து டவுட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா, இல்ல எந்த கான்செப்ட் வேணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா அந்த கான்செப்ட் வந்து நான் வீடியோ போடுவேன். இல்ல ஏதாவது கோடிங் வேணுமா அப்படின்னா அதுவும் சொல்லுங்க. ப்ரோக்ராமிங் வேணும்னா ப்ரோக்ராமிங் வந்து வீடியோ எடுத்து போடுறேன். எப்படி ரன் பண்றது அப்படிங்கிறது அப்படியே கோடிங்கோட ரன் பண்ணி காமிக்கிறேன், எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணி. அடுத்த கொஸ்டின். RA stands for real audio. AVI means audio video interleave. Next, the MPEG layer 3 format is MP3. Which image format is used for storing high resolution large images? Answer BMP. Which image format allows the files to be displayed on a variety of devices? Answer DIB. What is the table used by the GIF format to identify colors? Color lookup. Dash is a compressed image format. GIF. What is the compression technique used by JPEG image format? Answer lossy. Which image format is good with photographs, naturalistic artworks? JPEG. Dash is the first popular format for high resolution images. TGA. Most of the video capture boards supports Dash format. TGA. Dash format is fully streamable with a best display option. PNG. Which format works good with online viewing application like www? PNG. Identify which is not an image format. OGG. Identify the wrongly matched pair from the following. Answer OGG audio. Identify which is not a digital audio file format. Answer AVI. Which format is most popular for storing and downloading music? MP3. Dash format stores uncompressed sound files. WAV. Which files are compressed to 1/10 the size of an equivalent WAV file? Answer MP3. AIFF was developed by Apple. Dash is a free open source container. OGG. Expand DRM. Digital Right Management. Which digital audio format is designed with DRM? Answer WMA. Identify the format which is not developed by Microsoft. AIFF. Who developed WMA? Microsoft. Dash abilities are provided in WMA format for copyright protection. Answer DRM. The sound and picture element in AVI are stored in alternative dash chunk in the file. Interleaved. Multimedia framework was started in the year 2000. Find the pair wrongly matched. Option 3 4 wrong match பண்ணிருக்காங்க. More time. Which MPEG format is used for multimedia and mobile web? Answer MPEG 4. Dash is a standard format for generation digital video and audio compression under the ISO. Answer MPEG. Which format had research on multimedia framework in the year 2000? Answer MPEG 21. How many steps are there in multimedia? 12. The first step in multimedia protection is answer both B and C. Option D is the correct answer. The general statement in project design stage are termed as goals. The selection of fastest CPU, RAM and huge monitors, sufficient disk for storing comes under hardware and software selection. Find the correct statement from the following. இதில் வந்து எல்லா ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டையுமே கரெக்டான ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் தான். ஒரு டைம் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. What are the factors to be considered while delivering the multimedia applications through internet? Answer: bandwidth, plugins, downloading time, all the above. Answer வந்து எல்லாமே correct option தான். All the above. Which software is used to incorporate the text in the production stage? Answer: OCR. Identify which is not a browser. Trace. Arrange the options given below in the proper order. Option A வந்து கரெக்டான ஆப்ஷன். பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Copyright issue are considered in the dash phase. Conceptual analysis and planning. How many members are there in multimedia production team? 9. The production manager should not be an expertise in text narration. Identify the wrong statement. இதில் எல்லா ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டுமே கரெக்டான ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் தான். All the above statements are correct. 103. இதில் புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சரும் கீழே வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணியிருக்கேன், எடுத்து போட்டிருக்கேன், ஒரு டைம் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. The multimedia presentation is converted into a web page by webmaster. Dash represents a linear sequence of events. Answer: A and B. Option D வந்து கரெக்டான ஆன்சர். Who plays a vital role in dealing with backgrounds, bullets, buttons, pictures, editing, 3D objects, animations, logos of the program? Answer: computer graphic artist. Identify the person who is not a member of multimedia production team. Answer: program debugger. How many million consumers uses internet, radio and video services every month? Answer: 55. Dash is a multimedia based teaching and learning system at GMU in Germany to provide decentralized learning environment to the students. Option A correct answer. Dash is an education satellite launched in India to provide virtual classrooms. Option B correct answer. EduSat. Dash conferencing is a system that performs face-to-face interaction for the users. Answer: option D. Dash is a freestanding furnished equipped multimedia computer that allows users to retrieve information via a touch screen. Answer: kiosk. Banks uses kiosk in the form of ATM. Dash refers to any type of application that involves more than one type of media such as text, graphics, video, animation and sound. Answer: multimedia. One of the disadvantages of the multimedia is cost. Match the following. பார்த்துக்கோங்க. text, image, sound, video. ஆன்சர் வந்து செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. டெக்ஸ்ட்டுங்கிறது RTF, இமேஜுங்கிறது TGA, சவுண்டு MIDI, வீடியோ MPEG. அடுத்து find the odd one on the following which is not an image format. இது வந்து image not a image format கேட்டாங்க. RTF. Dash is the process displaying still images. They give continuous movement. Answer: animation. The live telecasting of a real-time program through internet is known as webcasting. GIF use dash color lookup table 8-bit. RTF file format was introduced by Microsoft. Expand JPEG. Joint photographic expert group. You need hardware, software and dash to make multimedia compact disk drive. The first chapter la 122 questions இருக்கு. ஒவ்வொரு சாப்டர் அடுத்தடுத்து ஃபுல் புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் ப்ளஸ் உள்ள புக்குக்குள்ள இருந்தும் கொஸ்டின் எடுத்து 1 மார்க்காக உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா கேளுங்க. இல்லை கோடிங் ஏதாவது எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணும், ப்ரோக்ராமிங்காக எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னாலும் சொல்லுங்க, நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ.